1 minute is the most popular expiration time for a trade, but I'm sure you don't know how to work with it correctly. I made $2,400 using only 2 indicators and a special secret that is very relevant at the moment. In this video, I want to show my settings, detailed explanation of trades, and live analysis that led me to such a profit. I want you to see how it really happened. I'm sharing this because it will be useful to everyone. All you have to do is look, understand, and copy my knowledge without mistakes. Let me show you how it all happened and where I started. I will now set up my account before I start working with a strategy. In order not to make mistake, repeat after me. I'll use the candle chart type and the time frame will be 1 minute. Now open the indicator section and select Keltner channel and MACD. In the Keltner channel settings, the EMA period should be increased to 22, the ATR period should be 12, and the multiplier should be 2. This is necessary to expand the indicator area. Later you understand why. The MACD indicator will have a fast period of 10, the slow period will be reduced to 24, and the signal period will be 8. Great! The indicators are set up, the account settings are also set up, so you can start the session. I'll open trades and show you in detail how to work with this strategy. Watch the video to the end if you want to know all the detail. If you're interested in not just watching the chart, but understanding what's behind every move, take a look at my Telegram. There I publish daily reviews, levels, and explanation that help to understand the logic of the market. Follow the link below the video and message me, and I'll help you navigate. Let's take the situation into account and open the first trade. The trade time will be 1 minute, and our trade amount will be $100. Now we have time to sort out this situation. You see, the Keltner channel indicator has a zone in which the price chart moves. There are situations when the price chart goes beyond the indicator. That's what I'm interested in. I noticed that the price crossed the upper limit of the indicator as the price decreased. This means that a downtrend has started as soon as the price crossed the boundary of the trend indicator and has been fixed. This is the first trigger that is important to me. Next, you need to pay attention to the MACD. The indicator's chart crossed the 0 level and began to build below it. The indicator lines also crossed each other. Such a chart of the indicator indicates to me that the price is decreasing. To summarize, both indicators indicate a decrease in price, which means that the market has really started a downtrend and I can make profit. As you can see, everything is as simple as possible. Later, I'll tell you about the important rules that must be followed. Boom! The first profitable trade has increased my capital to $2,192. A good start to the session. We'll continue to work. I'm already looking for the next situation. Now I'll discuss with you the main mistakes at work. Let's limit the trade amount to $10. I'll open a trade to increase the price. And so I see that the price chart crosses the lower boundary of the Keltner channel from bottom to top. This means that the price has started to rise. Super! The first signal has been received. But pay attention to the MACD. The indicator's chart is still below the 0 level and has not crossed it. This chart position tells me that the price increase has not been fixed yet. Therefore, it is impossible to open a trade in such a situation. The indicators contradict each other. This is the most important and basic rule when working with any strategy. All indicators should indicate the same trend. Also pay great attention to choosing a currency pair to work with. I recommend taking currency pairs in which the price chart moves in a zigzag pattern. Such currency pairs are more stable because they have a stable trend change. I'm sure that you will strictly follow these rules of working with a strategy. Then it will not be difficult to open a trade in a reliable situation. As you can see, the price continued to decline and I made a loss. I hope you remember the situation and not make such mistakes in your own work. Let's continue to work. We are increasing the trade amount to $150. My forecast that the price will decrease. Let's say it all over again. I see the price chart has crossed the upper limit of the Keltner channel. The price has reached its maximum and started to decline. As soon as the price chart crossed the upper limit of the indicator, the situation was almost formed. If you pay attention to the MACD, you will see that the indicator's chart has already crossed the zero level from top to bottom and is being built below it. The indicator lines also crossed each other, which means that the market has really started a downtrend. I'll give you some useful advice. Never rush to open trades, especially if the situation has not formed yet. It is very risky. It is better to open a trade a little later than the indicators give a signal. This only increases the reliability of the situation. There's no need for haste in trading. You need to be confident in every open trade. Only then you can succeed. Great! I made profit. The account now has an amount of $2,290. Let me find another situation and open the last trade. I think I can increase my capital with this situation. I see that the situation has already formed and the price has started to rise. All indicators point to an uptrend. I hope you enjoy this strategy, and this video will help you learn the strategy and how to work with it correctly. Let's take a look at the situation to the end and summarize the session. Yes, friends! The last trade was profitable, and I see that my capital has increased to $2,474. Excellent results in a short period of time. The strategy works. Be sure to try it. This concludes the trading session. The session is over, and I am pleased not only with the results but also with how accurately the strategy worked. Remember, there is no perfect market. There's only a trader who knows how to adapt. Today, you saw how important it is to keep your cool and trust the plan. And be sure to write in the comments what conclusions you made after this video. This will help consolidate the results.